eat, let's sit down. Take a look at what you found. Porridge is in front of you. Take a bite, let's use a spoon. Yum, 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 yum. Give a spoon to everyone. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty, tasty, now we're done. Take the spoon with your hand. Scoop some porridge if you can in your mouth and sing along to our happy eating song. Yum, 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 yum. Give a spoon to everyone. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty, tasty, now we're done.
Time to eat, let's sit down. Take a look, what have you found? This food is the solid kind. We will need a fork this time. Yum, 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 yum. Give a fork to everyone. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty, tasty, now we're done.
Hold the fork in your hand. Time to eat now, that's the plan. Put the food into your mouth. Very tasty, sing out loud. Yum, 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 yum. Give the fork to everyone. Yum, 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 yum. Very tasty food for us. Time to eat, let's sit down. Greet your friends and look around. When the food has gone away, use your napkin right away. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty food